YouTube, today I'm going to look at my old Polaroid Spectra AF camera. This camera is about the same age as me, 21. Unfortunately can't find film for it, but here we go. Neat. This camera is a really high quality camera. And it's just so much of a shame that the film for them is no longer produced. And what I actually found out is that these things will not work without the film canister, because that is where the battery is. Let me just find a way to open this baby up. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. Man, look at that. 21 years old, still a fine camera. All these switches on the back. It's a very, very high quality camera. And this, I still even have the manual for it. And this shows you everything you need to know about this Polaroid. See the instruction manual right here. Just very, very cool camera. So I just wanted to make a quick video. So I hope you guys enjoy it.